Over the past several weeks, we've had several agents that have expressed interest in needing help with their marketing. We've got our social media marketing kit, and I'm about to show you a little quick tutorial on how this thing works. All right, here we go. We're going to start off right here at our front page with the site summary. This is a tool that your marketing, it'll show you the results of it. And so the key here is that you're wanting to go over and see where all of your marketing is going and where it is getting attention. And so this page is just a quick little show right here. We'll come back to that in just a moment to give you a little more detail, but this is how you land listings with your clients. If you can show them where you're actually getting information out to clients and they're actually seeing it. But let's go on down here. Within the marketing kit, you do need to go over and key in your site data. And so if you don't have that stuff put in, just key that in. Everything will then automatically populate throughout the entire social media marketing kit. And then we're going to go ahead and head on down here to the marketing kit. That way you can see what all there is available. We're going to scroll down and there's going to be a few little video posts that you can see. This will just give you a little idea of what they look like. Every single section has more. So don't just stop right there at that particular spot and say there's only 3 to choose from. If you click that drop down menu, there's a whole lot more. And there's a lot of information here that's going to market you along with the house that you're listing. And so let's continue scrolling down. As you can see, there's a bunch of videos. There's 16 of them there. Also, if you do stories and reels on your social media, there's some that are available for that as well. You can see we can click the drop down. There's a lot more there. And in our one-on-one meetings that we have with people, we go a little bit more into detail with how to use these and where to place these and whatnot. I'm just wanting to give you a quick little visual of what all there is. There are some landscape posts that are perfect for doing your social media post in Facebook. You can use any of these anywhere, but then as you see, we're going to hear a square post. That's more designed for the look of Instagram. It can go on Facebook as well, so don't be scared of where you need to put them. Pinterest, this is just kind of a big shotgun style image that you can go put up. Within slideshows, if you just do photography, there is something that you can actually show people within these slideshows. It's a quick little teaser. The main thing is you're wanting to get attention for people to click on the website. The website is where you're going to get your data that goes back to your clients. There's also a website that is built in with it, and these take a minute to populate on the screen, so I won't be able to show you what they look like. Here you can see a couple of them that will pop up. That it lets you see what the website actually looks like on your phone and on your computer. You can choose different looks. There's several of them to choose from. Then let's scroll down a little bit further. We have flyers that are available in the system as well. You can change these images extremely easy because everything's already built into our system. If you don't like a certain image, you can click on it and then change the image. Real simple to do that. Then there's also a weekly traffic report that you can view, and you can also schedule and have it sent to your clients. So that gives you the quick elevator pitch of what the social media marketing kit is. And so what we'll do is we'll circle back right quick, back up here to the site summary. Every time you post one of these images, you'll want to go over and link a way for the client to click on the website. And the website will give you all this data of where everything's coming from. And I guess I should go back here since we're talking about the website. Let me go back down here and show you, since I just gave you a little teaser of those. We have the website here so you can see that. If you do video, the video can be put on there as well, along with Matterport. And so you can look and see what all is available there. It shows you all kinds of information. And the key is just getting information into your client's hands. And so we will scroll back up here and out of there. That way you have a visual of what the website looks like. And so I hope all this information helps you to do what you're needing to do with marketing. Of course, I do have one-on-one meetings that I can meet with you and show you a little bit more in depth of how to use them. I will be in the future trying to develop some online stuff. That way you can go over and just click online instead of having to have a one-on-one meeting, because your time I know is very valuable to you, just as it is mine. So we'll be creating little links along the way or just posting things. And if you're interested in, making sure that you get the stuff, please let me know. I would love to put you on our email list or text list, whatever we can do to get the information in your hands to help out. So hopefully this will help you in the future, and we can get you marketing and getting more listings for you.